Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable notifications in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Opera GX settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security section, click on this one site settings. Then scroll up and under permissions section, click on this one notifications. Here you will find that Opera GX by default allows sites to send notifications. Sites can ask you to send notifications, and in case you want to disable this one notifications message, select this one last option. Don't allow sites to send notifications. This will block notifications from sending any website.